I don't know if I should put that part in.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
We're talking about cans, bro. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Yeah, seriously. My mom watches this.
I'm gonna say 515.
520.
520? Ooh, okay. I'll go with 530. Matt, you got a guess for this one?
500.
500? All right. I'll take the W.
Worried takes the cake.
Let's go.
Worried giggles. Winner. Yeah, first time for everything.
Yeah, sometimes there's flukes in the world, and one just happened.
Even a broken clock's right 2 times a day.
Yeah, a blind squirrel finds a nut every once in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A worried squirrel.
Worried squirrel. We got the convertible next?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last one.
What's that? 569.
Yep.
All right.
What was his guess?
He said he doesn't know.
600.
600?
What do they make?
You do how many LT4 cars?
I don't care about baseline.
What's your guess?
Probably not least experienced with.
I went
Is it stock?
569.
569, he says. We'll see if it's stock or not.
Looks pretty stock to me.
580.
580?
Yeah, he's at 569, right?
Yeah.
The 580.
All right.
He's been
575.
just stealing yours.
575.
Alright, that's Matt. Unbelievable.
Let's go.
You alright over there?
I don't know.
God, he is Matt's the worried one.
Two in a row.
Good job.
Heck yeah.
Remember when you said, oh, I'm probably way off, but you know.
Huh?
Yeah, you were worried
Was.
about it.
This is the C6V baseline, correct?
Correct, Mundo.
Do you happen to know what this one's getting?
Yeah, stage 3.
Stage 3?
Mm-hmm.
So it's heads, cam,
It's already got a VRM though, so that's cam. And then
intake,
American Racing headers.
headers. Okay.
Gonna make
Head number 1 off. I gotta stop saying obvious shit on camera. Centennial Edition. What's going on here? Anything good?
Heads, cam, ammo ported MSD intake manifold, Bear Ram, Nick Williams throttle body, valve covers, my clutch. Probably do R-catch can.
Looks like you're making some good progress.
Yeah, I'm pulling.
What's going on?
You know, planning. Thinking about mixing up the way I do things around here.
Whoa!
Possible new secret?
Could be. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it just to get some excitement going here.
Learn something new.
Been a long time since I threw one of these in.
Is that going in this?
Yeah, it's going in this.
I thought it was getting shipped out.
I'll put it in the butt side though.
Yeah.
So it's, we gotta do it.
Lube it up.
I'm about to put it in backwards.
Raw dog.
Yeah, we need to get some gloves.
We don't have any?
They're fun like a national, you know, like everything else. You can't fucking buy gloves. You can't buy nothing. It's the only proper way to install a butt slayer.
Through the butt.
Into the butt.
You can't do that. You can't put a cam in from the back.
Someone's gonna say that.
Oh, I know.
Someone's
That's
gonna
what you
say
need
that.
to label the video. Installing a cam from the back of the engine.
Well, some shit is tapered.
Like what?
I'm not sure what. But some cars do have a tapered
Take a little. I mean,
Well, it's just so you don't have to.
well, no, I was saying like when you take them all in the rack, it'd be annoying. That stuff's annoying, but it really. It's not
Yeah,
that
it's
much
just
of
so you
a
don't
drag.
take all the radiator and
Yeah.
shit.
I mean, that's nice. It's just
I
fucking
hate
awkward taking the radiator.
I know,
It's
yeah.
just awkward taking it out.
Yeah, that's why I was like, that.
And it's
Stick it in the
fan,
butt.
Yeah. One less mess.
Oh, well. Generally, when you stick it in the back, it's
Oh
a little
well.
more of a mess. You know?
Depends how clean she is.
There you go.
I don't know if I should
So
put
it's
that in.
50-50 shot.
Huh?
That's what he said.
I don't know if I should put that part in.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I didn't say anything bad. We're talking about
everything
cams, bro. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Yeah, seriously. My mom watches this.
Eric, it looks like you didn't move from the last video.
Really? Well, I'm done up top. I'm putting the gauge in now.
Just the gauges you said?
So I'm doing a gauge now.
Doing a gauge?
D3
Okay.
gauge. Yeah, everything up top's done.
Yeah, I saw you put the intake and everything all
Yeah.
back together. So now you're about finishing it up, correct?
Correct. Should be done. Ready to fire it up today.
Okay.
So check back.
Yeah. I'll check back in a little bit then and see what's up.
Sounds like a goddamn plan.
What's pretty cool about this Camaro?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No. It's nothing special. It's just a bolt-on car. I don't even know what bolt-ons. I know it has headers and shit, but I assume they're speed engineering because of the sticker. And I don't know what air intake. I didn't look. Maybe an aerator or something.
It'll be up on the screen.
Yeah. But other than that, that's all it's getting. Just a tune. I'll make a couple trans pulls and make sure it shifts good. He doesn't have the TCM unlocked, but you can still make some changes on the engine side of the tin and make them shift good. So just make sure it shifts good and go from there.
Got a yellow Z06.
Yeah, little stage 3er.
Another day in the office.
That's it. Made first pull and seemed like tires were spinning, so, and then they were. You can generally tell because like the torque line will be like flat. And it only made like 570, but like 469 torque. Then put VHT down and then it made 611 and like 525 torque, so. I didn't even shut the car off, so. I guess it's got a stock tire on it. It's got Eagle F1 or something on it.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Junk. This will make 623.
That's your...
I wouldn't have said that high if I didn't already make it for a first pull that made 611.
To this?
No.
No, just a plain old stage 3.
Typical stage 3, like number 747. I love them though. They're simple. They work.
Yeah, can't beat it.
Yeah, you know what power it's gonna make, and it'll run all day long. They don't all make anywhere near that on stage 3. That's good. We've had them make that, but that's good. Especially 530, almost 539 torque. That's killer with a stock manifold. Yeah, this thing will be nice.
So once the sensor heats up, you'll see the wideband start to work.
That's a super like seamless design, man.
Yeah, there's your wideband. It's got everything in here. Ethanol content, coolant temp, your speed, voltage, shift lights and stuff, it's your tax,
Damn,
IATs,
that's pretty cool.
boost. I mean, this thing is cool as hell. And your wideband.
Well, as soon as I go past the cop and he pulls out, automatically I'm like, that's for me.
Yeah.
Even if I wasn't speeding, it's just everyone does it.
And you're in a two-door car, so that makes you a higher priority target.
Yeah, I'll blend in. I'm in a blue fucking sports car.
Yeah. Same with me, dude. It's hard to. You can't just like blend in the crowd. Like you're some silver sedan or like some black Toyota Camry that can just.
It's like I didn't know how fast I was going when I first seen him, but I know as soon as I seen him, I slowed down. Obviously, like everyone does.
Yeah.
And then when I went past him, I was only going like 70. I was keeping up with traffic. And then I seen him pull out like a few seconds after I passed him. I was like, that's for me. I was like, I have a feeling. So I tried making some room in between me and him before I got off 495. But then he called out to me right on that, there's a bridge right before you get off the exit on 495 for me to get here. And right on that bridge is when he called out to me. I'm like, and then I moved lanes, he moved lanes. I'm like, oh, this is it. And then I got off, he got off. I'm like, I'm pulling over. Like,
you didn't even fight it. You're just like.
He didn't give me any points or anything.
That's good.
He said I went 70 and a 65. I was like, well, I was when I was going past you, so whatever.
It's raining a bit. This is why we don't leave cars outside. Unlike some other people. Everything's inside at all times. Except Bill's car. His car. This gets rowdy out there. Oh, I was watching the cameras out back. Zeus, you better get out there, boy.
What's up, Zeus?
I just closed the door. Probably fucking.
Go ahead.
Dude, he wants a bath. Let's go.
See, he won't f with me. If someone else did that, he would freak the f
He'd just
out.
start going woof woof.
You want to come out here, boy?
Little buddy.
Yes, people probably miss you,
What's
bud.
up, dude? Whoa.
People probably miss you on camera.
I'll put you in the video.
He's just gonna rub his face against you.
It's okay.
I know, bud. You just need some bubbles, huh?
What's up, dude?
You're getting old, bud. You're almost 11.
He's that old?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
No one that no, he doesn't look old, especially for a big dog. Yeah, he's almost 11. He'll be 11 in March.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias. In the next video, we'll be giving you an update about Fran's race car, so stay tuned.